We found the only positive point of an LX chassis is that it can crush cans.
Alright boys, we're gonna see how many cans we could crush with the can crusher.
I'm gonna put a couple bushes in there. Oh, that one's got some juice in it.
So line up, boys.
Let's find out.
Oh,
that's
halfies.
Like, can I...
Better.
How's the hood look?
With a little... Perfect.
You know, the hood looks fine.
Perfect.
So I'm just gonna do it again. Something's broken. Oh wait, is it an LX? Yeah, something's broken. No,
look at that.
That's
See
an
this?
adequate crush. Oh, this one's not really though.
Oh, we missed one.
We got some bush in my air filter. All right, so we got 5 out of 6 for an adequate crush. All right, well let's try with 4 then. I guess we should have demolition ranch styled it first. We should have stepped our way up, but let's try 4.
Let's try 4.
Let's try 4.
Hold on, let's see this. Not bad, not bad.
Yeah, they're crushed, but like
they're halfies.
You think we could go a bit further with it?
Yes.
Let's try that. That's definitely further. Oh yeah, no, it's enough to latch, and it's definitely gonna be enough to latch. Now, those are crushed. That's adequate.
See, you don't have to use your feet or your foots.
You don't have to use your foot or a $10 piece of shit that mounts on the wall. Use a Mopar.
Boom.
Mopar, baby. We're gonna try some fruity, basic white bench cocktail beers here. Yeah, we'll try those, and we'll see what happens with the full 6.
Oh,
obviously terribly unsuccessful.
Oh yeah, press it down. Yeah. No, that's good. That's a good job.
Well, not really, because we got 2 crushed, 1 in my alternator, and then 1 yeeted out the front. All right, so if you drink fruity beers, here's an idea: just don't.
Nice.
Another benefit of these, if you take a grill out, you can just fire cans out of here and crush them whenever you want.
Yes. Will it do this? Will it crush 6 cans?
Some Bush, some Bud Light, some Bush, 1 Bush latte, and we're gonna see if it crushes these. I mean, it won't completely crush them on 1 hit, but if we just have to press down a bit, that's fine. Well, that didn't jump though.
Halfies.
Halfies, that's fine. A little couple whacks. A couple whacks will do. Oh yeah, that's flat.
Look at that.
That's crushed.
That's a beaut. Those are nice.
Those are nice.
The fam at the beer store will love you.
A couple whacks. An LX chassis. That's all you need.
So it's confirmed. 6. You could do 6.
It's confirmed that 6 will work, and it's also confirmed that an LX chassis Mopar is good for something at least. Like, the Rams are better vehicles, and they're better at everything, and everything lasts longer, but guess what? An LX will crush your cans. That's the only plus point on them. They're kind of pieces of shit, but
yeah.
Other than that, they'll crush your cans. So if you ever want to go out and you're like shopping around, go on Facebook Marketplace, and buy an LX and just slam the hood on them because it's the coolest Hemi-powered can crusher you'll ever buy.
Yeah.
It seems to be quite effective for that. We have officially found the only good use for an LX. They're a can crusher. A quite effective and reliable good one.
Yes.
So it's the only thing they're good for. If you want a car and you want something to be, you want a car and you want it to be good for something, I recommend probably a Neon, maybe a Civic.
Yeah.
But if you want a can crusher, definitely buy a Hemi-powered LX. They work great for that. Nothing else, but like they work great for that.
For can crushers.
Yeah, no, 100%, yeah. I got a vehicle that's reliable. I got a reliable Mopar, some horsepower in it, and I've got one that crushes cans reliably, and that's all it does reliably. So, I mean, here we are.
See ya!
See ya. Thanks for joining us on this adventure.